Welcome to WIREWAX Studio. WIREWAX Studio is designed to allow all users to make their own engaging, interactive video masterpieces with ease and intelligence. WIREWAX Studio puts the power of interactive video in your hands. Our cloud-based, self-serve platform allows anyone to build, host, and deliver all of their interactive digital assets in one place. In this tour of WIREWAX Studio, we'll show you around and also point out some key features that will make creating your interactive video quicker and easier than ever. To access the WIREWAX Studio, open your favorite browser and go to wirewax.app. From here, you can log in, or if you are a new user, register for a WIREWAX Studio account to begin your free trial. This is your digital asset manager. From here, you can upload your video and image files, use folders to originate your assets, and collaborate with your team members. Use our intelligent search to find the videos and images you need, and set status notes on each of your assets. Uploading a video is simple. Just tap the cloud to open the upload panel and add a video file directly from your desktop, or paste a video URL from your favorite video hosting platform, like YouTube or Vimeo. Preview your assets at any point by clicking the thumbnail. From here, you'll access the Quick View panel, a snapshot of all of the most important data of your video powered by our advanced computer vision technology. You can also download a detailed report of your video's analytics from the metrics dashboard. When you're ready to start making your video interactive, simply tap the Get Started button to open the Video Creator. You'll notice our computer vision has been hard at work detecting faces and objects in your video and offering them as suggested hotspots. Adding a hotspot to your video is as simple as tapping the yellow plus icon on the left and using the selection tool to draw around the object, face, or area you wish to make clickable in the video. WIREWAX offers two kinds of hotspots to use in your videos: sticky and static. Sticky hotspots do what they say. These stick to people or objects as they move. Typically, you'll see 9 times higher engagement with sticky hotspots compared to static hotspots. Static hotspots are anchored to a fixed position in the video frame. You decide when you want them to appear. After labeling your hotspot, choose what you'd like the corresponding interaction to be. From clicking directly out to another web page, jumping to another point in the video, or displaying a beautifully created overlay created from our custom overlay editor. In the overlay editor, use the left-hand menu to add multiple elements to your overlay. Shapes, text, video, image galleries, and maps can all be added and edited using the toolbar on the right, giving you full control of how your overlay should look and feel. Choose an animation from the animation editor to add smooth transitions in and out. Don't want to start from scratch? Our pre-designed templates are here to kickstart your interactive video without the heavy lifting, making the process fast and easy. Create a branching video by adding time triggers to automatically jump, pause, or loop the video for a truly immersive and engaging experience. When you have completed your interactive masterpiece, tap the Embed tab. From here, there is a range of options to finalize your video, including responsive code, password protection, and locking your video based on your audience's geolocation. You can then share your video across multiple social channels, or create your own embed code to place the video wherever you want it, taking your interactive video to the masses. Don't forget to check back once your video is live to see how it's performing. Our metrics dashboard records over 150 data points per second, giving you advanced interaction data to gauge performance. Export your metrics so you can see those raw numbers in all their glory. Upgrade your account at any point while in the studio from the Upgrade panel to keep access to your interactive videos by allowing you to take your video even further than ever before. Live chat with a member of our customer service team at any time while in the studio to find the perfect subscription package for you. WIREWAX, the smartest way to create interactive and shoppable videos.